Good morning, B2 students. Today it's Monday and it's the 29th of June 2020. For today's subjective, I would like, as a teacher, would like to explain more about this progress exam, okay, for this test that you are having because some of you did not get it, okay? You can always retake this test so you can have a perfect score, okay? So there is no limit for this one. All right, so for today's objective, learning objective is I can review my answers on my previous assignment. So this is about your assignment and this is check your progress on page 59 of your learner's book. So here's the picture. So you can always get your book to look at the bigger picture. And also teacher send a picture to this test, right? So now let's do and review our quiz, this one. Okay, so this is really important and I really want you to understand about this, okay? All right, so again, this is your check your progress and here you're going to write your name. And this you can find this book on page 59 of your book. All right, for today's assignment, you are going to draw, right? So you're going to draw number 4, like this is here number 4, and you're going to draw A and B picture, only two, 1, 2, and then after you draw each, you're going to write the answer for will this bulb be on or off with the in the circuits and why. Then you explain why. It's very easy because teacher will explain it again today. Are you ready? Very good. All right. So here you can see this is number 3. And then will this circuit work? So will this circuit work? Look at this. So this one, again, this is a buzzer. And here are the wires. Here is the battery. And then this is the battery or cell are the same. And this is the battery or cell holder, right? So will this circuit work? So there are 2 options here. So option 1, it says no, this is not a complete circuit. The 2 wires both go to the same end of the cell. So they all go to the positive side of the cell. And then the other option, the other answer is yes, this is a complete circuit. Is this a complete circuit? No, right? So the answer, the correct answer here is no, this is not a complete circuit because the 2 wires, the positive or the negative side are not connected to the other wires not connected to the negative side. So there will not be a circuit for this, right? So the answer is first option, no, this is not a complete circuit. The 2 wires are both connected to the same cell right here. Same end of the cell, which is all connected to the positive one. Okay, now let's take a look on picture B. Picture B, so again, this is a motor. A motor is used to make things move or spin, just like a fan. What else? Washing machine, a dental cleaner. What else? A blender or mixer. So those things need to spin and they need the motor for it to work. Okay, so will this circuit work? Will the circuit work? So there are 2 options, right? So this is number 3 because the question is still number 3. And then say, look at the picture B, will this circuit work? So this is picture B of number 3. So this is 3 and this is letter B of picture B of number 3. So here, So the first option, no, this is not a complete circuit. There is only one wire to the motor. And option 2, yes, this is a complete circuit. Is this a complete circuit? Is there two wires connected to each other, to both ends? No, right? So this one, this circuit doesn't work or will not work because there's only wire connected to both ends. There's only wire connected to the motor and the battery. There should be one here, the negative, and connected here. So letter B, the answer is, for picture B, in number 3, the answer is which one? No, this is not a complete circuit. There is only one wire to the motor, or the answer is B, which is yes, this is a complete circuit. What do you think? This is not a complete circuit, right? So the correct answer is letter, or the first option. No, this is not a complete circuit. There is only one wire connected to the motor right here. Only one wire. Okay, now let's go to picture C in number 3. So this one, again, this is a buzzer, and the red line in your book, bigger picture. So the red line here, the red wire of the buzzer should be connected to the positive terminal of the battery, so the buzzer will work. Because if you put the negative wire of the buzzer to the negative side of the battery, then it won't work. So the buzzer will only work if the positive wire of the buzzer will be connected to the positive side or terminal of the battery. So here on this side, this is the positive side. This is the red wire of the buzzer, and it is connected to the positive side of the battery, which is correct. And here also the wire here is connected to the negative one. So the question is, will this circuit work? Of course, yes. Very good, it will work. Because the circuit goes in a loop, in the buzzer, the red wire of the buzzer is connected correctly. So for number 3, question letter C, picture C, will this circuit work? Option 1, no, this is not a complete circuit, which is false, not true. And the answer is yes, this is a complete circuit with the positive side, the red wire of the buzzer is connected to the positive terminal of the battery, which is so the answer for here is letter, or no, the answer is yes, this is a complete circuit with the positive wire the red wire connected to the positive side of the battery, which is correct. Okay, for number 4, letter A. So this one, even if the switch is on, but then it is not, the bulb is only connected to one side, right? So there's a gap here. So the bulb will not light up because there's a gap here, right? Even if the switch is on. And here, the switch is off. All the wires are connected. So the circuit is connected correctly, but then the switch is off. So the bulb will not light up because the switch is off. It means that there's a gap. When the switch is off, there's a gap. It means that the electricity cannot flow, right? Here, there is no gap because the switch is on, but then the problem here is that this wire is not connected to this circuit. Get it? All right, so let's check. For number 4, question number 4, picture A. So this is picture A, this one. So the question is, will the bulb be on or off in the circuit and why? And then the answer is the bulb is off. You see, this bulb is off. It's not working because the wire, only one wire is connected, right? Even if the switch is on. So the bulb is off because the switch is on, but the bulb is only connected to one side. Only one wire is connected. Okay, for picture B, will the bulb be on or off in the circuit and why? So here, will this bulb be on and off? No. Why is it? Because the switch is off. And if the switch is off, there's a gap. So the electricity cannot flow. The electricity cannot go because there's a gap here. And if the switch is off, of course, the light will not work, right? So the answer for number 4 is the first option. Oh, I think I forgot to put the answer here. So the bulb is off because the circuit is connected. The bulb is off because the circuit is connected correctly, but the switch is off. Even if it is connected correctly, but then the switch is off. All right, so for your assignment, once again, you are going to draw this in your notebook. So picture A and B, so only in number 4, right? Picture A and B in your notebook, draw, and then you're gonna explain or answer this one. So will this bulb be on or off, and why? Will this light bulb be on or off, or is this a complete circuit? So if you are not sure about what to write, you can just go back for this one, picture A, number 4, A and B, and then the answer is there. Okay? Is it clear? All right, so if you want me to show you for, these are the questions, right? Will the bulb be on and off? And why? The bulb is off because the switch is on, but the bulb is only connected to only one side. So after you draw, you can write this after each picture. So make sure that you write this on picture A and you write this one on picture B. That would be all. Thank you so much and have a nice morning. Goodbye.